Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do my social media plan with me this week. I'm using a Dollar Tree insert inside of my Walmart Traveler's Notebook. So I'm going to take the insert out. This is the same insert that I've been working in for a while now. Let's take this out. I'm going to be working on July 29th through August 4th. These are the washies that I've selected, and they were inspired, as is this entire spread, inspired by the Patience Neon sticker from Coco's Vision. I will leave the information about the shop in the description box below. I also have a discount code, Rachelle20, that will save you 20% off your order. I've already started pulling out some stickers. I had purchased this sticker book from Hobby Lobby for $1.25 on clearance last year, I think. So I'm going to be using some stickers from that. I was going to be using these date covers, but I don't think I will. But there are some other stickers in here that I may use as well. So I kept it out. I'm going to be using this Walmart sticker book. It had a few stickers that I thought would look nice with this color scheme. So I'm going to be using it. Oh, and I'm also going to be using these date headers. And last but not least, these are just the ones that I've pulled out that I think I'm going to use. This is another Walmart sticker book, and I'll be using stickers out of here. Mainly the green floral. It just really jumped out at me. It's a green floral similar to what's on the cover. I figure now is the time to use that because these colors are really outside of what I normally do. So I need to make use of all those colors within the sticker book. Okay, so let's get busy. First off, I think I'm going to use the floral washi to do my header area. And I think I'm just going to go right in the center of that area so that if I want to come back with a thin washi to accent it, I have room. If not, it still kind of gives it a border and looks nice. And these are also washi tapes that I rarely use, so it's nice to get some use out of them. Let's see, I think I laid this one down too tight because it's causing the paper to curl. So let me see if I can loosen this up a little bit. Just lightly lay it down. I think that's a little better. Okay, so I really wanted to use this too. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it, so I'm going to put that to the side for now. Then I have this. I don't know if this is going to be too busy and over the top for this spread. I think I'm going to just end up using mostly the pink, but this goes with those stickers so well. Ugh, I hate to not use it. And this one too that says hello. They just match perfectly. For now, I'm just going, let's see. I don't know that this washi looks good with these pink date covers, but I'm going to use it anyway. Let's see what happens. I won't be alternating colors this week. Well, maybe I can. No, it's not going to look good. So we'll just be using pink for all the day headers. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and put down the date covers. I'm not sure about what I'm going to do about Saturday and Sunday, and I can actually, I'm going to scoot them down one line, I think, like that. Oops, making a mess already. This is Sunday. Okay, so it's all dated. Let's see what were the other ones in here that I might want to use. This was one. I think I'm going to put that right there. Believe in you. And I'm going to use this plans sticker for, let's see if I can incorporate some of this washi. There we go. Just got to get a little of that washi in there because this just matches so perfectly. And then we can stick plans right there. I think that works. So let's see what else we have over here that I might want to use. I think that's pretty much it, unless I use some of these exclamation points. I thought I saw a tracker that I wanted to use. But maybe that was in another one. Okay, so I think that's it for that. I think that's it for that. And I wanted to use this lime green, even though it is on that shiny paper. I still want to use it on the spread. I guess we better go ahead and put the doll down. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and again try to incorporate some more of this washi. And even though I put that washi there, I'm gonna add this here. These pages aren't cut evenly. Oh well. Okay, so I've taken the doll off. I want to put her here. I won't be doing a whole lot of work on Wednesday. Kind of wanted to cover up that edge right there. So she's gonna go there. And I'm gonna use Good Times. Since it's cut at an angle. But I'm also going to add another box. Maybe I need to line things up a little better. There we go. Even though this is my social media planner, I am going to note a birthday that is on the 1st, just because I pretty much do that in most of my planners, especially when it's birthday in my household. And I think I'm going to use these little hearts to do a list. So this is where I am with using the stickers from those sticker books and some of the washi tape. Now I'm just going to go and add the word stickers and social media icons to the spread. So sometime last week I went through and tried to kind of clean up my sticker storage, reorganize them since I've added quite a bit to the collection. These are neutral icons from JD in Brooklyn that I'm using, and I like these a lot. I think I talk about them every time I use them, but I really do like them a lot. The fact that they are neutral is awesome because they don't interfere with the colors of the spread. Yes, they have some muted tones, but they're very neutral tones, so they're not going to interfere with the spread. So I don't need any more of those. And I don't really know how I want to use the social media icons. I have an idea of a routine or schedule that I would like to use them for, and I think I will be working on that, and I'll share if once I come up with it. But other than that, I kind of just like putting these icons on the social media spread as a reminder to work on these areas of social media throughout the week. I do need to do certain things daily, but I don't need to write that down. That's why I want to do a schedule, or I don't know, like a guide, a daily guide that I would use every day. But let's see. Probably won't be doing this on Saturday, but I'm going to put the Twitter icon there. And I don't think I'm going to use Pinterest. And I'm going to use Instagram here. Maybe I should put the Twitter up there. I think I should. So it can be nice and balanced. And then put the Pinterest on here. Okay. And I'm going to use some of these to do, even though I have this to do here, I wanted to use just some plain word stickers. Also, and even though I have the cash icon there, I'm going to put the payday. So Wednesday, while I'm at my appointment, I can be working on the buffer, and I'm going to put it on Saturday as well. And I think that's about it. I guess I could use one of the YouTube stickers here and start working on the list of videos for the next week in this box. So maybe I want to put some bullet points there for the listing. Let's see what we have. I'm going to use the circles. I think I should use the green so that that pink doesn't clash with the red. And And I'm just going to do 3. And I'm going to leave this as a before the pen. And what I will try to do is, once I fill out the planner and finish it through the week, then I will try to remember to show you the previous week when I come back to do the following week. So that is it for this spread. The colors in this doll are just vibrant and beautiful. Don't forget to go check out Coco's Visions. If you like videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I upload a new video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to check the community tab and also check out my stories here on YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.